Okay, class, we are going to continue on with 10.2 today. This is Thursday's video, almost completed with week 4 of distance learning. So just to recap a little bit what we did yesterday, we talked about the different properties, and when we're asked to simplify expressions and write your answer as a power, I'm just going to go ahead and put an example here. If I had -6 to the 5th power times -6 to the 4th power, what do you think you would get if you were to have to simplify this expression and write your answer as a power? Go ahead and write that down, and then we'll check your answer to see if it is correct. Okay, well, I'm going to get -6, and then I know that I'm going to add my exponents because I'm multiplying with the same base. So I'm going to get -6 to the 9th power. Now, do I have to have those parentheses? Yes, I do. Because if you can remember from Tuesday's video, when you are dealing with negatives, it definitely matters if the negative is inside or outside of the parentheses. So it must remain in the parentheses because you would get a different answer if it was not. Okay? So that's just a little refresher from yesterday's video. Now we're going to talk about simplifying the expression with actually solving it. Okay? Using the properties that we learned yesterday. So I'm just going to real quick type in here, simplify the expression. Okay. So say I am given 2a to the power of 6. Okay, if we remember that we have parentheses and we have an exponent on the outside of the parentheses. The 2 and the a are being multiplied together, so that is a product. So this is going to be a power of a product property. We need to distribute that exponent 6 to the 2 and to the a. Okay, so this is going to equal 2 to the 6th power, a to the 6th power. All I did was take the 6 and distribute it to the 2 and distribute it to the a. Okay? But I'm not done yet because it did tell me to simplify. I need to actually solve what 2 to the 6th power is. So 2 to the 6th power is actually 64. But I am going to keep the a to the 6th because I do not know what a is. So this is simplified as far as it can go. If you have numbers that can be solved, like 2 to the 6th power, then you must do that. Obviously, the a to the 6th is going to remain the a to the 6th. Okay, so overall, parentheses 2a to the 6th power equals 64a to the 6th. All right, let's try another one here. How about x times y to the 15th power? I'm just going to do the exact same thing I did in the first one. I'm going to distribute that 15 to both the x and the y. So it's x to the 15th, y to the 15th. And since those are variables, we don't know what they are. We're just keeping it just like that. Okay. Now, how about we do, let's see, what am I having you do tonight? Okay. Let's do sorry, I don't have my example right here. All right, let's do 6 3. 6 to the third power times 6 to the fourth power. And I just want you to simplify that expression. Now, if we were to write that as a power, we have the same base, so it's going to be 6, 3 plus 4, which equals 6 to the 7th power, but I don't want to keep my answer as a power. I actually want to solve it. So I need to actually solve what 6 to the 7th power is. And 6 to the 7th power, I'm going to pull out my calculator, and I'm going to put in 6, and I actually get 279,936. And that is just doing 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. All right. Let me know if you have any questions on this or if you have any trouble with tonight's assignment. Again, you're just doing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think you have 6 problems, and you're going to be simplifying expressions in this way. You are not going to keep your answer as a power like you did in yesterday's assignment. So make sure you check your answers as you go along. If you, after several attempts, are still getting the answer incorrect, please email me, send me a comment so I can help you. I want you to do it the right way instead of practicing it the wrong way. All right? So please give it a try, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.